Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
This week, I'll be teaching you how to do Havana with the 4 sounds that I have taught you, which are the basic kick drum, the K snare, the hi-hat, and the PF snare. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun-Keys for Kids. Now, let's get straight to it. So, let's start off with the intro. Now, I'll break that down for you into 3 parts. That's the first part. Pause the video if you need more time to practice it. Now the second part is together, it goes like this. And now the third and final part for the intro is, I'll do that again for you. Now you know how it sounds together. Rewind the video if you need to learn each step individually again. Next week I'll be teaching you how to do this super sick machine gun effect, which goes like this. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Which move will Pikachu use? Unfortunately, no one has voted, so I will have to choose. Pikachu has used, drumroll please,
Thunderbolt!
Your homework for next week is to practice beatboxing Havana while playing the song in the background. And from that note, I'll see you next week. Bye.